one of the main messages I want to tell buyers is, let's do a pre-buy, let's figure out what we're walking into, and there's usually a path through it.
Sure.
Just because it has damage history, it's not the end of the world. It could be in your favor, you get a better price point. Or the reason why you're looking at it is because you like the price point, and the reason why the price point is the way it is because of the damage history. So I think a lot of times buyers have this misunderstanding that they're walking into a situation that it's going to be perfect, and it's usually priced for a reason. If it's too good to be true, it probably is. And you really painted that from your expertise as a mechanic, as a pilot, as someone who does these pre-buys on a regular basis. Like, there's usually a way through, and it's talking with your broker, with your mechanic, with your team to say, do we want to walk this path, or do we want to go somewhere else and try a different path? So no, I love how you put that.
Yeah, a big part of that is how labor intensive the squawk is.
Yep.
And the downtime associated with it, and
Parts
the
availability.
expectation from the buyer. So if the buyer says, hey, I'm looking to get into an airplane that has some downtime associated with it, I enjoy maintenance, I enjoy fixing things up, then hey, maybe that airplane is for you. The way I look at it is, if I would put my family in the airplane and it's a safe airplane, that's something that can be negotiated on for closing, and then we find a good shop, put it into to get it fixed and get you back in the air. But if it's something that I wouldn't put my family in, then most of the time that needs to be handled before closing.
Yeah. Let's talk about shops